it personal, personal, personal. Don't take it personal, personal, personal.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Maya the Stylist, and I'm back with another video. So today, your Maya the Stylist, and as you can see, today I am revamping 2 wigs that I really don't want to throw away. I have this wannabe 24-inch curly hair. It's like a kinky curly, and I had this one for a little minute now. I don't even know what, deep waves maybe. I don't know if I color it or it came like this, but I had this for a long time too. I'm just not ready to throw it away. But before we even get started, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below. So right now I'm just filling up this pot with some water, and I'm gonna put some olive oil in it, some conditioner in this pot, and I'm gonna boil it on maybe 6. I'm boiling it on 6. I'll put it on 6, and I'm put the wig in this pot, and I'm put another wig in a separate pot. So let's get to it. So I put the wig in the pot of water, and now I'm just adding in this olive oil. It's a nice growth oil, but it just to help soften up the hair. It doesn't matter if the water is cold or hot. Obviously it will get hot or warm on the stove. I just put droplets. And now I'm gonna add in some shampoo. I really love this one. It really cleans your hair, but also clean braids, wigs, weaves, anything. It just get everything out of there. So just like a mixture that I'm creating right now. Not too much because you want to have bubbles all over your stove. And then lastly is the conditioner, which I add in with the oil and the shampoo. It's just give it a moisture to soften up that hair that been dead for so long, y'all. So I'm using this one right here, nourishing conditioner. Put in a little now you don't want to put too much because you don't want to make your wig greasy now. You don't like that boil. Easy. Oh, you see the water already, the color of it. Look at that, you guys. You're letting it soak. I'm gonna try to probably let it boil for like 5 minutes because you don't want to burn the hair. You don't want to have your hair with a burnt smell. And the same thing to this other pot. I'm going ahead and put this wig in there. I'm gonna put my concoction in there, the oil. The shampoo. And the conditioner. Let the water fill up. That should be enough water. And y'all gonna put that on the stove on number 6.